How to ensure the security of your data on the internet. Tell me in the style of Mr. Beast. ChatGPT. Well, let me tell you something. Protecting your data on the internet is no joke. It's like protecting your home from intruders. You gotta be smart, vigilant, and take all the necessary precautions. First off, make sure you use strong passwords and change them frequently. Don't be using password 123 or QWERTY as your passwords. That's just asking for trouble. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, and don't use the same password for multiple accounts. Next, be careful what you share online. Don't be posting sensitive information like your social security number or your credit card details on social media or other public forums. And if you receive an email or message from someone you don't know, don't click on any links or download any attachments unless you're sure it's safe. Another thing to keep in mind is to keep your software and apps up to date. Companies are constantly releasing updates to fix security vulnerabilities, so make sure you install them as soon as they become available. Finally, consider using a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your internet connection and keep your data private. And if you're using public Wi-Fi, be extra cautious. Those networks can be hotbeds for hackers. So there you have it, folks. Protecting your data on the internet may seem like a daunting task, but with the right mindset and a little bit of effort, you can keep your information safe and secure. If it was interesting, subscribe.